Now here we are going to create function that is we have already created function save sale, and this one is the empty one which is working well. Now here we have selected here from front end the sheet which we put our what do you call the check mark. The invoice number is empty, then we can use this one, the UI, to alert that the choose invoice number. Now from the backend also we are going to carry the complete database, which is very important also to cover up. So the database will come sheet data dot get range, get data range, get range dot get values, get values. Here we are going to choose values because we are covering up whole data which is in the backend. We need it in one variable. So variable that is a sale data, we need it. So sale data, we put it in one variable. So this sale data, we put it in one variable, but here we are going to use sheet data dot get range, we need a range here, that is a sheet data dot get last, we need a last row, get last row is plus 1, and then we need first column, comma, the maximum rows and comma, and the maximum column we have column 11. So total number of columns we are using 11 columns, and this is how it should work. And then let's put one message also from spreadsheet that will show us that if this is being submitted well, so we should get one message, get UI dot alert commas data have been submitted successfully. Okay, so here let's save this one, and let's see if it shows us that this data is going well into that. Okay, here what data is going? Okay, this is a range, and then we have to set value also because we didn't set the values. Set values. Now in the values we are going to put a array variable which we should create. We didn't create, so we'll create it over here, array for that variable. So that array will come over here. I think it didn't save, which we created before, array, and for the variable we need the complete array for that sale. Save, okay, and then, or we can say save sale, that's better, save sale, save sale, or save value is much better, values, that is okay. Okay, here it will come in array. First of all, I think it's very much understood that we are bringing from front end to get values, get range, and we're putting it into get value of each within the bracket. So I'm sorry, it's an array, so it will come comma because there is uh, another boxes of input we have, so we need to get those also. So here P3 we are using, and here we are going to copy to short our time. 5, 6, 7, 10, 11. This is P5, B7, B9, sorry, B11, B13, and B15. And here is, we are going to use E3, and this is E5, E7, E9. So this all is going into variable sale values. So this sale values, we need to put it over here, sale values. So this is a variable, and this is going to set our complete back data one by one by these values. Let's try and hunt our result. Let's try date 31st, the category VAT, invoice number 100, client name, let's pick it up, client 2, let's come up with 1000 of sale, paid nothing, and the status of payment is pending, but he bought 2 items of this and none of this, so we put 0 and 0, and let's, for more comfort, let's put this one in the middle. That looks much better. Design basically is your comfort. However you want to do, you can do it according to your comfort. And this is the button we are going to press save. Let's see if it goes to the data have been submitted successfully. Let's check in the background. Yes, date, category is here, invoice number, client name, credit, debit, payment status, product, and everything is coming up over here perfectly. So we are getting our data successfully over here with our commands, all are working nicely. So in this shot, what we want you to do, submission of data, let's try some other data also. Okay, now let's clear. Now this is done. Now we can clear with this button, clear. It's all clear here. Now we choose another date of 38 when we made a sale of non-VAT, and the invoice number is 101. Client name is client number 5. He came today. He bought 5,000 worth goods, and he paid off also. So his payment status is paid, and the balance left over is 0. This time he bought one of this, one of this, and one of this now. So let's make it that way. Let's save data. Let's let the script work. Data have been submitted successfully. Let's go back to the management. Watch here. You see the data is coming up over here successfully. So this is how it works. Let's clear it up once again. Okay, now let's save another data on date 24, category VAT, sale, we did it. This is 103 sale number, client is client 1, and this time we made a sale of 500, which is being paid, and the status is paid, and we say 1, and the rest is 0, rest is 0, 0. So we can just save. So here we go, and it's successfully done. Thank you very much.